Everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to invite collaborators on Instagram after posting reels or just after posting. So to get started, open up your Instagram application, and then as you can see, I have already uploaded multiple reels here. So here, if I come to the reels tab, you can see the reels I have uploaded. So let's say I want to tag some people and invite some collaborators to it after I have already posted it. Keep in mind that I have already posted them, so I'll just go ahead and tap on it, and then what I'll do is I'll just tap on that three dots icon here, and then I'll go to the option called manage, which you can see right over here. Once I tap on manage here, you'll find the option edit. Click on it, and at the very top you can see the option tag people. Simply tap on it. So the only things you can do is actually right now you can tag people. You cannot go ahead and invite collaborators to your post or your reels or even your Instagram posts after you have posted them. This will be only done before posting it. And if you fail to invite some collaborators, there's the only thing you can do is go ahead and delete this post and then repost your reels again in order to go ahead and collab with the people you like. Keep in mind that the only thing you can do is, which is obviously similar but different in some kind or some way to the collaboration feature. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.